House. The cow is one of the most widespread farm animals in the world. House. A cow has a stomach made up of 4 chambers that help it digest food. House. House. The cow can distinguish some human faces. House. It has a wide field of view of up to 300 degrees. House. Cows are social animals and like to live in groups. House. Each cow has a distinctive sound that other cows can recognize. House. Cows can remember places and people for long periods of time. House. She has a strong sense of smell that helps her locate food. House. Cows can hear distant sounds very well. House. The cow drinks tens of liters of water daily. House. A cow can sleep lying down or standing up. House. Cows use different sounds to communicate. House. Young cows are called calves. House. Cows can run at speeds of up to 30-10. House. Cows possess emotions such as fear, comfort, and curiosity.